Hello, everyone. Stop scrolling for a second. If you're thinking about starting a YouTube channel but feel overwhelmed by cameras, algorithms, and what content to post, listen to this. I'm about to share the 5 best beginner tips that I wish someone told me when I first started. These tips could save you months of trial and error and help you grow way faster than most beginners. Trust me, you'll want to hear tip number 5 because it's the one almost every new creator ignores. Welcome back to the Tutorial Masterclass. If you're ready to crush it on YouTube, hit that subscribe button and let's dive right in. All right, here are the 5 best tips for beginners starting on YouTube. Number 1, focus on one clear topic. Don't confuse YouTube's algorithm or your viewers by posting random content. Choose one niche or topic that you can talk about endlessly. It builds trust and authority fast. Number 2, titles and thumbnails matter more than your video. You could have the best video in the world, but if no one clicks, it's useless. Spend 50% of your time brainstorming clickable titles and thumbnails. Number 3, don't overthink equipment. Your phone is good enough. Focus on good lighting and clear audio. Viewers care more about clarity and value than expensive gear. Number 4, hook your viewers in the first 10 seconds. Most people click away fast. Start your videos with a bold statement, question, or promise. Make them feel they have to watch till the end. And number 5, consistency beats perfection. Stop waiting for the perfect video. Upload, learn, and improve with each post. Success on YouTube is about testing and staying consistent. If you found these tips helpful, subscribe to the Tutorial Masterclass and smash that like button and comment "I'm starting" below so I can cheer you on. And if you want more YouTube growth hacks, check out more videos on Tutorial Masterclass YouTube channel. See you there. Thanks for watching and have an awesome day, everybody.
I'm full-time YouTuber, living my dream, can't lose. 500 million songs just like Mr. Beast.